Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Diwata, Filipina, at ang aking asawang si Pedro, Puerto Rican American. We've been living here in Vegas for 4 years now and we've been in relationship for 7 years. Samahan niyo kami as we share our daily life, our vlogs, food trip, shopping, and kung ano-ano pa mang nagaganap sa buhay namin every day. And for today's video, i-share namin sa inyo ang aming Mother's Day celebration para sa napaka-special na araw para sa ating mga nanay. Again, Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga nanay. Mabubuhay tayong lahat. We hope you enjoy this video and stay with us until the end. And sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated naman kayo sa mga next video namin. Sige na guys, tara let's! Good morning guys! It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day, man.
Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay.
Mama,
Yeah.
ate.
Oh, look at that. Even it's summertime,
Yeah,
we
snow
still
caps.
have snow caps there.
For Warm
Yeah, we
Springs
still have
Road.
snow caps.
So, syempre Mother's Day, ititreat ako ni Pedro. Again, ito po yung Mother's Day gift ni Pedro sa akin. Tsaka ito. Yan. Quintas. So, ito yung Mother's Astig. Let's check what's here, asawa.
Huh?
Let's check what's here. Is this really long, love?
So
Oh no, that's the end na.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Waking up with the morning light, coffee's brewing, it feels just right. Stretch my arms, greet the brand new day, gonna make it mine in every way.
What?
Sure. You like that? My
What?
wife beats me.
Beats me?
Follow
Pau pau?
me. My wife's follow me. That's why because you like that.
Sunrise to the starry night, I'm living life with a heart so bright. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, chasing clouds, I'm on my way. Every step I'm feeling free, this is the life, just you and me. La la la, let's dance along, singing loud to a happy song. Oh, it's sunshine in
You like these shirts, love?
Huh?
Look at their shirts. Huh? Gan. Yeah. You wanna check on it?
so bright. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, chasing clouds, I'm on my way. Every step I'm feeling free, this is the life, just you and me. La la la, let's dance along, singing loud to a happy song. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, living life in a joyful way. Through the hustle, through the grind, I find the beauty in the daily climb. Laughing loud with friends around, every moment's where love is found. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, chasing clouds, I'm on my way. Every step I'm feeling free, this is the life, just you and me. La la la, let's dance along, singing loud to a happy song. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, living life in a joyful way. So here's to life, the highs and lows, every day's a chance to grow. With a smile, I'll light the way, sunshine's here, it's my happy day.
Sitting by the window, city lights below. Laughing at the little things only we both know. Coffee getting cold, but I don't really care. As long as I'm right here and you're right there. No rush, no plans, no need to pretend. Every moment feels better when I'm with my best friend. It's just us tonight, no worries in sight. Holding your hand under neon light. old songs playing on your radio. Windows down, letting memories flow. Talking about forever, talking about now. Making promises we don't need to write down. Every smile, every tear.
You know, their shirt is $5, $10 here. Oh. It's on sale. I get so excited.
You gotta be skinny to fit that. I'm too fat.
Sige. Yeah, their tank tops here are like this, tablo. Ito, oh. Well, small, ano? It's
I
small.
like those. I like those.
But it's...
You know what I mean?
Would you like to try this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. This makers.
Yeah,
But these are gonna be in the back, and we're gonna have to have a.
some assistance, ano?
Oh, that's large. Never mind. No, these are large.
Ito. But you wanna try it first, love?
Yeah.
This one.
Here.
We're getting this. Thank you. Oh yeah, that one.
Okay.
I'll try it, love.
Yeah. Where's this? In the back, right?
Yeah, there.
You and me.
Ano sila dito, guys? 50% off. Ang dami. Naka-sale. Ang ganda ng mga sombrero nila, guys. Kumuha ako ng ilan para kay Pedro. 2. Tapos yung sa akin naman, kumuha ako ng aking mga t-shirts. Kasi $10 lang yung t-shirts nila. From $28, guys, naging $10 na lang. $5. Galing. Tulad nito. Ang daming nakasale. Punta pa kami sa Nike, guys. Kasi gusto ko rin yung... Titignan ako baka may sapatos ako makita nakasale. Pag may mga okasyon kasi, dapat sinasamantala. And it's only $5, $10, love.
Yes.
No,
Yeah.
I'd say most of them. Yeah, this will be the only 5.
yeah. See? I wanna check if I can get another 5 there. It's only $5, eh. Kasi ano to? For kids only. Dad, for kids only. The other. I'm not kid. Kid at heart. And I like their
Yeah.
material.
No, it's nice. I like the clothes here. The hats. They're nice. It's not loud wear. It's just I like it. Pastel colors.
I didn't double the design, right?
No.
Yeah.
'Cause this looks like a same color,
Yeah.
but not the design.
And these 2 as well.
Yeah, please.
Alright, so 86.72.
Well, happy Mother's Day to you.
Yeah. I'm enjoying my Mother's Day treatment.
Treatment. You swipe the card.
More shopping after this.
Yeah.
You too? Yeah. I normally don't say this, but that's a nice ring you got on your right hand.
Oh,
That's a
thank
really
you.
nice ring.
Thing
The
it.
thing shines. Look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Lit
diamond, of
far
course.
away. She got a mile away. Wanted to make sure he looked. Yeah, she's with me. That's all right. That's a good man. Tell him I said.
You guys have a good one.
You too. God bless you. Are you a mom?
No.
No? You're young. God bless
Couple more
you.
years.
Happy Mother's Day to your mother. Here, Asawa.
She got embarrassed when I said that. He's making sure he knows that you're taking. And she's like, she got bread, you ain't. I said, that's a smart man. She was so embarrassed, love. I
That's
said,
really nice.
He's making sure everybody knows you're taking. Big old ring, shiny. He's making sure.
She's
It's like
mine.
you. She's mine. Oh my God, mommy's phone things.
Yeah, me and Mama is the same, no?
Holding your hand underneath
Love
our light.
You know the original price of these shirts, love?
Yeah, they're,
It's $28,
it's
and
early because it's branded.
we got it. We got it for $10 only,
Yeah,
love.
I got.
So, ito yung nabili namin kasi nawala na ako ng battery dun sa loob, guys. Maganda yung deal na nakuha natin. So, una, ewan ko ba may obsession. Tumingin kami sa Nike ng mga t-shirts. Wala akong nagustuhan kasi, pero, meron kami nagustuhan. Nakapapunta ako sa, ewan ko kung sabi ko nga sa inyo kung saan lang ako pumunta. Dito sa Harley ba to? Harley. Yan. Harley.com. Yan. So, meron silang sale. Ang ganda, guys, ng sale nila dito. Ay, crispy. Ano pala to? Tingnan nyo, guys. From $28, may nakuha ko dito $5 na lang. From $28 to, guys, ha. See, guys. 28. Harley shirt $10 from 28. Eto 28 siya, naging $5 na lang. Yan nyo, guys, oh. No? Ang ganda, diba? Tapos yan yung likod. Ganda. Ganda pati ng tela niya, cotton. This is cotton, love, ano? This is cotton. This one, $10 also. Oh, pero maliit yung nakuha ko. Gusto kasi yung oversize. Cotton, no? The same as my shirt now. Yeah, ang gaganda, guys. For $10. Pero original price niya is $28, guys, oh. See? Tapos $10 lang. So, ang laki nung naging sale niya. Tapos, ito $10 din. $10 din siya. Yan, $10. Diba? Ang ganda, guys. Ang ano niya, ang material niya parang yung mga shirt din, mga t-shirt din ng Nike. Sa Nike naman, nagpunta kami. Kaya lang, ano siya, guys, $19 din, ano lang, yung mga t-shirt nila. 19, 14, so mas mura. Nabili ko lang medyas, kasi wala pa akong Nike medyas. Puro ano, Calvin Klein, tsaka yung Polo Sports. Eto, $14.99. Kakakuha rin ako sa Coach. Yay, Coach bag. So, ito naka-sale din to, guys. Mayroon siyang warranty, free warranty naman lahat ng Coach bag ko. $380 yung original price niya. $380, but I got it $179. Naka-sales tax pa siya. Ay, yung tax pa niya, ang tax niya is $14.99.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, my love. Nakasave tayo dito ng $116. Love, I
Yeah.
save $116 from this bag.
Okay, that's good.
Diba? Pwede siyang body bag. Ganda. Ang ganda niya, labo. Really nice. Pwede rin siyang handbag.
How many bags are you gonna have?
No, I'm okay.
How many you got so far? Like 4
I
or
gave
5?
it No, those bags naman are not. Ganda niya, guys. Actually, para to, love, this is like my other bag. I have another bag like this. Pero smaller one siya. Kaya ako nagustuhan yan kasi yung handle ba niya ang tawag dyan? Guys, so,
We can ask Johnny.
love, oh. This is almost the same. This is almost the same. Pwede rin siyang handbag. Ito yung pangalawa kong coach. Ganda rin yan. Pwede siyang handbag din. Maliit
Now
lang.
I feel better.
Buti hindi ko pa... Kasi ang bibili ko dapat, guys, yung ganito rin kaliit na ganitong kulay. Buti na lang. Pareho, alam mo? Same color din. Kasi gusto ko talaga ganitong kulay. Magkano ba to? Let me see how much is this, love. When I bought this. Oh, natanggal ko yung price. Usually, guys, hindi ko tinatanggal yung price dito. Sa loob. Alam nyo, guys, ang ganda talaga ng material ng Coach bag. Tapos, napanood namin sa YouTube. Kinumpare yung bag from... What's this, love? Coach bag from Louis Vuitton. They said they have the same kind of material. They have same material, same quality ng pagkakatahe, but mas mura to, more than like 3 times, 4 times na mura kaysa sa Louis Vuitton.
Okay.
So yeah. I'm so happy. Thank you, my love.
Love you. You're welcome for hanging out.
Yeah.
Happy Mom Day.
Thank you, my love. So, yun yung pinaka Mother's Day gift sa akin ni Pedro. Again, may advance gift na siya sa akin nito. Pero, nag-celebrate pa rin kami today. Original price nito is 200 plus din. Pero, $60 ko lang siya nabili. Hindi pala 15 na. Yeah, $60. So, yun lang. Yun ang aking Mother's Day. Napagod. Kumain kami sa Stir Fry 88. Mura lang doon. Kung kayo ay nasa Las Vegas, I advise you na pumunta po sa Las Vegas, doon sa area ng medyo padulo. Kasi wala nang kinakainan namin dati doon. Padulo loob ng outlet. Napakasarap. And mura lang. Parang $13 lang siya. 3 ulam na pipiliin mo. $12 or 11 something dollars. 2 ulam. So yeah. Yun lang po, guys. Happy Mother's Day again sa lahat po ng nanay. God bless.
You're my favorite place to be, yeah, just us two.